Hello, dear friends. In this video, I will tell you about the new airdrop from Bitget and how to get Solana tokens in just a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. I try to find promising projects for you as quickly as possible. As you know, the world of crypto airdrops is amazing and rich, and you definitely shouldn't miss such events. So I will briefly tell you what this airdrop is and demonstrate the process of getting tokens using my own example. I will leave the official resource for participation in the description under the video. Official website sol-bitget.com.don't fall for fakes. Solana Airdrop is a distribution of free tokens by the blockchain-based Solana project to users who meet certain criteria, often involving interaction with the project's platform or ownership of certain tokens. It is a way to attract the attention of new projects, reward users, and build a community. Activity. Let's move on to getting tokens. The first step is to have Solana tokens on your balance to meet the activity criteria. In my case, I have $6,251 in Solana tokens in my trusted wallet. Next, go to the official website sou-bitget.com, which is in the description under the video. Next, you need to connect the wallet that is more active and interacted with the Solana network. During the connection process, a window will appear confirming the connection to the site, which must be confirmed. Absorbed. We are waiting for the token to be credited to our wallet. In a couple of minutes, I received $1,420 in Solana tokens. I strongly recommend not to miss this opportunity and participate in this airdrop, as this is a great way to replenish your crypto wallet. If you have any problems, write in the comments under the video. I will be glad to help. Good luck to everyone.